I caused quite the stir and upset a lot of people with my last post. Genuinely, I don't want to be the messenger for this. When you copy or repost somebody's work, even if you have credit, you could still be stealing. It's okay to not understand copyright law. It's complicated, but we do need to talk about it a little. For one, consent, very important. And not even to just be a morally good person, but consent is important because you could be breaking copyright law. Very popular in the artist community to do what is called a master copy. However, I was told on my last post by somebody who clearly does not understand what a master copy is versus copyright law, that everyone does master copies and it's okay to copy other people's work as long as you're not claiming it's your own and you give credit. Wrong. There are a few really important principles, whether it's in public domain, the copyright has expired, or you have permission from the original copyright owner to do these things. I don't know what your art classes are teaching you or what your art professors are teaching you, but if they are not teaching you to make sure that the art that you're copying follows one of those three things, then they are failing you. And of course, I'm gonna have some people be like, well, what if I keep it in my personal home where nobody can see it and it's just in my sketchbook? As long as you are not posting it, and this is the big issue, is that people are posting, aka redistributing and creating derivative works off of work that they do not have the copyright to, makes a huge difference. If you are just keeping it secluded in your own little sketchbook, okay, it's still technically maybe against copyright law. Yeah, are you gonna get in trouble for that? Probably not. But a general rule of thumb when you are posting a piece of art that is not yours online is if it is not yours and you do not have consent to post it, do not post it. But I gave credit. Doesn't matter. Some people are okay with you reposting their work with credit. Some people are not. And in fact, goes against the terms of service for the application that you are using to argue with me about doing so. When you signed on to this application and when you upload a video or a photo or whatever, you are claiming that you own that material or have the consent to post it. But people draw fan art all the time. Fan art's a legal gray area. That's a more complicated video to get into. We're just talking about copying somebody's art, posting it, calling it a master copy, and thinking that's okay because master copies are a thing in the art community. You need to understand the laws and legalities around these before you do something that you could get in trouble for. You can get copyright infringement strikes, and you could potentially set yourself up for a legal battle without knowing it. Please be cautious. Now let's talk about master copies another time in this video. Generally, it takes 70 to 100 years for the artist's copyright to wear off. After death, not after the piece was made. And I know you might not like my tone, and I'm not the perfect messenger. Sorry, I'm not like Whiskey Rabbit or Daphne Frizzle. These things are still important.